I, Jane Frances Abodo, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
Your Excellency, in conformity with Article 120, Clause 1 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, you appointed Mr. Lino Anguzu, the Director of Public Prosecutions. The appointment was subsequently approved by the Parliament on the 29th of October 2025, and Mr. Lino Anguzu is now ready to assume the duties of this office.
I, Lino Anguzu, swear that I will at all times well and truly serve the Republic of Uganda in the office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, and that I will observe, support, and uphold the Constitution. So help me God.
Batala, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
I, Twinomugisha Muhairwe, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
I, Patricia Achan swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
For ascending in these high offices, Principal Judge, IGG, I'm glad you are all young people, but I think I know also some of you individually. I've been following your record. You seem not to be corrupt. I have not heard that. That's why I had a problem with the existing structures. The civil service was colonial, corrupt, and non-patriotic. Just the judiciary, the same. Colonial, corrupt, and not patriotic. Then the police, same problem. But we have managed by patiently pushing, until now we are beginning to get young people who, many of you are new type of people who are more likely to be in line with our idealist ideas. I think abaganda omulukoratunyo alugero lugamba adinga n'amawulire agajjamu omukuto. I think now by continuing, we may finally get a harmony between the bush and the state structure, which was here, because we have been having this discrepancy. If you can bring like Abodo, she has been in the DPP and she has done some good work. I know what she's been doing there. So let me see what she does now that she's. So therefore, really the challenge is to have a state which is for the people. Because as the Deputy Chief Justice was saying, some of the public workers don't work for the people. So you don't know what they work for. In the past, they were working for colonialism. When you have people who are promoting impunity, you get a thief who is disturbing the village, he's put in jail, then he's given bail. They can't understand that. You are in conflict with the population straight away. Akarare ekiro kimwe. The Banyangore say, Akarare ekiro kimwe. Akarare yargaye. You spent the night and came out. Finish. They are finished with you. And then you say, that's what sort of law is that? What are you trying to, whom are you trying to please? Why don't you keep this person in jail and maybe try him quickly, but not provoke the villagers with disregarding their rights and concentrating on the rights of the wrongdoers. We think to bring peace in the country, you need full accountability for crimes. Otherwise, you will get all sorts of distortions, including mob justice. Mob justice is because people don't trust the system.
Your Excellency, I thank you for taking off time amidst your busy schedule and actually a hectic one to conduct a swearing-in ceremony of the Principal Judge, the Director of Public Prosecutions, the Inspector General of Government, Deputy Inspector General of Government, and I warmly congratulate them on their appointment and inauguration. Since I'm speaking on behalf of the judiciary, I wish to applaud Your Excellency for choosing the right person as the Principal Judge. I've had the privilege of working with Honorable Justice Jane Francis Abodo when we were both judges of the High Court, and I also briefly supervised her when you appointed me Principal Judge. She was a focal judge for pre-bargaining in the judiciary before Your Excellency appointed her the Director of Public Prosecutions. She promoted pre-bargaining with a passion, both as a judge and as a DPP. Your Excellency, the challenges of the new Principal Judge, of course, she will face. One of them is poor work attitude in public service. The other problem, of course, will be corruption, both actual and perceived. Because since I'm the immediate predecessor, I will definitely sit with her and we look at what I've been doing, which I think she should maintain. But one of them, which I think she should continue, is to ensure that you visit every court in this country and know where the courts are. Of course, the other thing you need to maintain is the quarterly performance reviews. Not only for judges, but you should extend it to magistrates. Because every quarter, when you ask them what they have been doing, I know it was resisted initially when I started it. Some, including our seniors, were saying courts are not about statistics. I think you've heard that, I think judicial officers, you know that. And I insisted, I said, if you cannot measure, you cannot manage. You must measure what people are doing in order for you to know whether they are performing or not. What I also had started was the special courts for gender-based violence. Because we have rape, defilement, and many of those cases usually are lost in court because of lack of witnesses, because they take long. So I had introduced special courts for them. So, and I know you were, as DPP, you were also part of that process. So keep it up.